Hi, and welcome to BTMsoft. Here, we will show you how to set up a new employee. Simply click Staff, Employees, New. On this form, you add just the basic details to get you going. First and last name. You can click Create Now and add more details later. We will not do it now to show you further functionality of this form. You can assign the employee to a department and add date of birth. If you will use rostering or timesheets, or want this employee to have access to their portal, select here. You can add this feature later. Enter the employee's login email address. You are automatically assigned as an employee's supervisor, but you may change it here or later. Click here if you want to send invitation to employee to use Employee Portal, where they can add and maintain all other details themselves. Choose Template of Invitation. Templates are covered in another tutorial. Click Create and you will have the employee set up.